Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson. It could be practically any generation, any engine Hyundai Tucson. You have check engine light on and any of the following codes, such as code P0365 P0366 P0367 P0368 or P0369. Any of these 5 codes will explain how to fix that guys, okay, and how to take care of that problem. Before we start, let me tell you, it should work on multiple generation and engine Hyundai Tucson, and we'll explain how to find that sensor that causes these problems. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Now this is the engine that we'll be demonstrating on. Before we start guys, many of you have been asking us in the comment section below to share information about diagnostics that we use and what we recommend. That's the tool. We'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features. Works on Hyundai and almost any car you can think of guys. It's amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. If you have any of these codes, you need to identify where the intake exhaust manifold is located. The intake manifold is where the car gets air fuel from. Exhaust is on the opposite side. Right here you have intake camshaft, exhaust camshaft. You have intake camshaft position sensor and exhaust camshaft position sensor on the back side right here. So if you guys have any of these codes, it means that most likely you have problems with the camshaft position sensor on the exhaust camshaft. Things to check for: make sure the wiring harness is in good condition and not broken. Number 2, in some cases if you have oil leaks from the valve cover, they can affect the signal, so you need to make sure that it's dry and the connector is clean on the inside. And number 3 guys, it could be a bad camshaft position sensor. Okay, if that's the case, you will need to test it guys to make sure that it's not working correctly. We'll have the video on our YouTube channel, how to repair guys, how to test camshaft position sensor on a Hyundai vehicle. Check it out, it will teach you everything from start to finish, which is not very complicated. Those are the top 3 things. In other cases, make sure that it doesn't have too much contamination, because it's a magnetic sensor and actually it can get metal shavings and stuff, and that can affect the performance as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.